Hello and welcome. My name is William. Today I want to bring to you my complete video course on graph theory algorithms. Graph theory is the study of graphs, commonly known as networks. Graphs manifest themselves everywhere in the real world, from the friends in your social network, to subway transit lines, to the internet itself, which is a vast virtual network of interconnected websites. Given that graphs are so ubiquitous in the world we live in, it is necessary for us to understand and be able to ask questions about these mathematical objects. This video series tackles graph theory from a computer science perspective. We are going to begin the series with various ways graphs are stored and represented on a computer. Then we are going to look at two fundamental graph traversal algorithms, the breadth first search algorithm and the depth first search, both of which we will see over and over again throughout the series. From there, we will quickly dive into the world of trees, a special form of graph that does not contain any cycles. Here, we will take a close look at the tree as a data structure, as well as common tree algorithms, including rooting a tree, finding the center of a tree, the lowest common ancestor problem, and several others. After trees, we are going to focus our attention on classic graph theory problems, such as how to find and detect directed cycles within a graph, various techniques for finding the shortest path between two or more nodes on a graph, and not to mention several other classic algorithms such as finding minimum spanning trees, topological sorts, Eulerian paths, the traveling salesman problem, and many others. Lastly, we are going to take a look at some of my favorite network flow topics, including how to use the Ford-Fulkerson method to find the maximum flow, what is and how to find bipartite graph matchings, as well as several maximum flow algorithms to help you tackle flow networks. I should also mention that every video is accompanied with visual animations to help your learning process. I also walk you through the pseudocode and sometimes also the source code for every algorithm I talk about. This helps solidify your understanding and allows you to run and test the algorithms I talk about on your local machine. It has taken me well over 2 years to assemble together all these videos. I hope you are able to join me in this video series on graph theory algorithms. As of now, this video series is available for free on YouTube. However, consider supporting me by purchasing the full course on Udemy, where I have added some additional problems, exercises, quizzes not available on YouTube. Check the description for discounts and additional information.